Assalamu alaikum everyone. So in this video I'm going to share 7 amazing health benefits of melon and why you should eat melon every day. So let's start the video. So melons are more than just juicy summer fruits. They are packed with nutrients your body will love. So let's explore 7 amazing benefits of melon that might surprise you. So the amazing benefits include that will boost your hydration, aid digestion and support your immunity and many more. So let's start with the super hydrating one. As you know, melons are over 90% of water and they're perfect for staying hydrated, especially in summer. Helps maintain electrolytes in the body, and they are rich in vitamins, especially vitamin C, which boost our immunity. Some types, like Cantaloupe, have vitamin A, which is great for skin and vision. Supports digestion, and it is high in fiber, which help our digestion to be smooth, and have natural enzyme like papain in some melons can help break down our food. And then it is very low in calorie if you are working on your weight management, so this is perfect for low calorie count yet filling due to water and fiber, and it is a great snack or you can use it in smoothies. It have antioxidant power like lycopene, especially in watermelons, and beta carotene, which help fight free radical and reduce inflammation in your body. And it's also very good for your skin and hair. As I mentioned earlier, it both contain the hydration and vitamins, and both of them are very good for glowing skin and healthy hair. Vitamin C also helps with the collagen production in your body. And as you know, there are multiple varieties of melons like watermelon, cantaloupe, or honeydews, or normal melon. So the melon I'm showing with you in this video is normal melon. It looks like it's not sweet, but when I tried it, I cut it, I removed all the seeds. It was very tasty and very sweet. I've also shared a video of seeds, how to dry it and how to reuse it, so you can visit my YouTube channel and search for that video and enjoy that video as well. So but this video is about melon, and another important benefit is that it may help muscle recovery. Watermelon contains citrulline, an amino acid that may help reduce muscle soreness after exercise and improve recovery. Some studies show that it can also enhance blood flow, making it popular among athletes. And it also supports our kidney health. Melon have a natural diuretic effect. As I mentioned that it is hydrating, so it contains 90% of water, which helps your body flushes out excess fluids and toxins from your body. So it improves your kidney function, and which may prevent from kidney failure, kidney stones, etc. And melon is very good for mood and energy. It boosts your energy and boosts your mood because it contains natural sugar which provokes the energy boost without causing a sugar crash. And the vitamin B in melon also support energy metabolism and may help enhance mood and reduce fatigue. So when can you enjoy it? How to enjoy the melons? You can eat them fresh and chilled, add to smoothies or fruit salads. Freeze for refreshing popsicles. Blend into juices or detox water. So they were all the benefits of melons. I hope you like this video. So I'll share the final thought now. Whether you choose watermelon, cantaloupe, honeydews, or melon, they all are delicious and healthy way to support your hydration, digestion, immunity, your heart health, your skin and hair health, etc. And there are many more benefits. They are perfect natural snacks, sweet, nutritious, and hydrating. So I hope you like this video and enjoy this video. If you do like, please hit the subscribe button and like button. Press the bell icon for more videos and recipes. Bye.